Here's another student with 58% CCNA discount voucher through networking. The CML Lab also has full detail required for CCNA topic with full step-by-step guide with commands and explanation presented to learn the essence. Hello and welcome to 2026 CCNA Bootcamp. This bootcamp is designed to focus heavily on labs in Packet Tracer and Cisco Modeling Labs to build job-ready skills and crack interviews. CCNA exam preparation and 58% discount voucher will be a bonus in this bootcamp. Hi, I am Musa. I'm Cisco Netacad instructor and Cisco Insider Champion 2025. I help people break into network administrator, network engineer, and cloud engineering roles. Over the years, I have provided free training through Cisco Networking Academy programs, and hundreds of my students have earned 58% CCNA exam discount vouchers and went on to successfully achieve their CCNA certifications. Here are some public testimonials that students have provided after passing CCNA. You can check the testimonials yourself by clicking on each person's LinkedIn post provided here. Lawrence received 58% CCNA cybersecurity discount voucher. Abdul Latif is grateful to Jeremy McDowell for the helpful content on his YouTube CCNA series and also thanking me for the guidance, support, and exam preparation and a discount voucher. And he went on and passed his CCNA. Here's another student with 58% CCNA discount voucher through Netacad program. I have hundreds of students who have left public testimonials on my LinkedIn profile that you can check from this link. I get a lot of valuable feedback from students who pass CCNA and have gotten jobs. According to them, passing the CCNA exam is not usually the hardest part. Learning the actual skills needed on the job is much harder. On job and even in good interviews, nobody asks you about random facts like what is the administrative distance of OSPF, which is important to learn to pass CCNA. But on jobs and in interviews, you are given scenarios. You are presented with a network problem, often with very little context, and you are expected to think through it. The interviewer wants to see how you make assumptions, how you verify them, how you eliminate possibilities, and how you approach troubleshooting step by step. That is exactly the mindset network engineers use every day on the job. That's why I have designed this new CCNA bootcamp differently. We will start with Packet Tracer to build a strong foundation. With Netacad access, you will get hundreds of pre-built packet tracer files that has step-by-step guides included to build physical and logical topologies, configure devices with a background and requirement for a specific use case. You can check your progress and results for a particular task. After we have built foundation with packet tracer, we will move into Cisco Modeling Labs, where we will work through realistic scenarios, troubleshooting exercises, and support ticket style challenges. The CML lab also has full detail required for CCNA topic with full step-by-step guide with commands and explanation presented to learn the essence of the networking topic. The goal is to teach you how to think like a network engineer. By the end of the boot camp, you will be better prepared for interviews, more confident handling real-world networking tasks, and as a bonus, you will be in a strong position to pass the CCNA certification as well. And who knows, you might even earn a 58% exam discount voucher along the way. With this bootcamp, you get official Cisco Netacad access for 1 year. The bootcamp sessions are 2 months long. All the sessions will be recorded with AI summaries after class and shared with everyone. You will get pre-built CML labs, you will get pre-built packet tracer labs, you will get verified credit badges plus Netacad certificates. You will have a chance to earn 58% discount voucher on CCNA exam, although I cannot guarantee that to every student, but a lot of students have earned it and you have seen the testimonials. I will provide you instructor support on WebEx 24/7 to help you out with the exam preparations, with your labs and homeworks and everything. The bootcamp is starting on 11th of July 2026 at 5 p.m. UTC. Our classes will be on Saturday and Sunday on the weekend so everyone can join. And even if you miss, you are still getting recordings for all the classes with AI summaries. You can catch up with those recordings as well. There are no limits on download and streaming on the recordings. Right now, you can click on Enroll in the Bootcamp now, which will take you to the registration page where you can make the payment. With this link, you can get this bootcamp with the 50% discount code, which is CCNA 50 off. You can apply this during the checkout or use this link. It will take you directly to the registration page where the code is already applied.